When should I use substitution or elimination to solve algebra problems? Have you ever found yourself staring at a system of equations, unsure whether to use substitution or elimination? You are not alone. Choosing the right method can make solving these problems much easier. Let's break it down together. Both substitution and elimination are techniques used to solve systems of linear equations. This means you are looking for values of variables that satisfy all equations at the same time. The choice between these methods often depends on the structure of the equations you are working with. Substitution is a great choice when one equation is already solved for one variable or can be easily rearranged to isolate a variable. For instance, if you have an equation like x equals y plus 2, substitution is straightforward. You can take that expression for x and plug it into the other equation. This reduces the system to a single equation with just one variable, making it simpler to solve. On the other hand, elimination shines when the coefficients of one variable in both equations are the same or can be made the same by multiplying the entire equation by a number. This method involves adding or subtracting the equations to cancel out one variable. It works particularly well when neither equation is easily solved for a single variable. If the coefficients align nicely, elimination can be a quick way to find the solution. So, how do you decide which method to use? If you notice that one variable is already isolated or can be isolated easily without creating complicated fractions, go for substitution. If you see that the coefficients of a variable can be matched or are already opposites, elimination is your best bet. Both methods will lead you to the same solution, so it really comes down to which one makes the problem easier for you. For many learners, starting with substitution when a variable is isolated can make the problem feel more approachable. However, when the equations are more balanced or complex, elimination might be the faster route. Understanding both methods and knowing when to apply each one will help you build a solid foundation in algebra. This knowledge makes solving systems of equations less intimidating and more manageable. So next time you face a system of equations, remember these tips to choose the best method for your situation.